Hello, dear friends. Welcome back to Knowledge Carrier and our Bhagavad Gita series. In part 1, we saw Arjun's confusion. In part 2, we discovered the meaning of dharma. And today, in part 3, we will explore something that touches all our lives, Karma Yoga. Now, when we say yoga, many of us imagine just exercise, mats, or meditations. But in Gita, yoga means union, a balance of mind, action, and spirit. Krishna tells Arjun, one who is balanced in success and failure, who stays steady in joy and sorrow, that person is a true yogi. In simple words, yoga is not escaping life, but living it with calmness. Like the ocean, waves will rise and fall, but deep inside it remains still. Think about a student preparing for exams. Sometimes marks are good, but sometimes they are not. If we study only for result, we feel stressed. But dear friends, if we study with focus without worrying too much, we learn better. That is yoga in action. Doing your duty with full effort, but not being crushed by the outcome. So, my dear friends, whether you win or lose, yoga teaches give your best and let go out of the rest. Now imagine a young professional. He works hard in office, but one day his project gets rejected. Now what will happen? Frustration comes, self-doubt comes, but if he remembers Krishna's teaching that failure is just another step, he won't give up. Instead, he will improve and try again. Because success is not just reaching the top, it's having the strength to rise every time you fall. Let me share a small story with you. There was a man, very hardworking, but always tensed. One evening, his little daughter gave him a drawing, a house, sun, trees, and written below, Papa, I love you. He realized all day he was chasing targets but forgetting the joy of small moments. That evening he decided, I will still work hard, but I will not lose peace of mind or love of family. This shift is yoga, balance between outside duties and inner happiness. Dear friends, life is not just about running fast, but running steady, with peace inside and love around. Even in small things, traffic waiting in line, dealing with rude people, we can either lose temper or breathe, smile and move on. That patience, that calm mind, this too is yoga. When you master your reaction, you master yourself. So, my dear friends, yoga is not just sitting with closed eyes. It is how we live every moment with balance in joy and sorrow, with focus on effort, not fear of results, with peace inside, even when life outside is stormy. This is the real yoga Krishna taught Arjun. And if we practice it in our own lives, we too become warriors of calmness, strength, and joy. So, next time you face stress or failure, remember, breathe, stay steady, and smile because that is yoga. Dear friends, if you felt inspired, do share this video and join us in the next part of our series, where we dive even deeper into the wisdom of Gita. This is Knowledge Carrier, spreading timeless knowledge for today's life. Thanks for watching.